Hey guys, this is Chadley with another update on our Riviera build. Really active. Nick's been a busy guy. Have to have a cheat sheet here in front of me. So he worked on a bunch of different splash shields inside the front fenders to hide components. Ran hard lines inside the passenger side fender well area. Did a bunch of mounting of the controllers for the PCs. Fully engineered the hidden headlights for the car and got those operational. Worked on the front bumper to get its fitment much more smooth than factory. Smoothed out the trunk lot and made it his own custom version of the trunk lock, and then built a completely custom gas filler. So I got some footage for you guys to check out, so let's jump on in there.
You can see Nick is working on the inner wheel well panels here, designing and getting templates made of those. You can see Nick is laying out the wiring harness for the Riviera and then getting ready to mount all the modules so that they're out of sight and accessible. Nick getting the modules mounted up here, hiding inside of the console area. The piece Nick has fabricated up for directing airflow. See Nick's getting the electronic e-stop mounted up.
Not done yet.
No, it's done.
It looked like it was done.
No, that car is done.
Working on the hidden headlights buckets. He's sitting right up in there. Alright, Nick is starting to work on the functionality of the hidden headlights. You see they're mounted up here behind the grill. And this will come around to expose or hide the headlight. He's working on these motors that'll actuate that. You can see Nick is making progress on the headlights. He's got the motor and then module and everything mounted. He's got the arm geometry worked out to open and close the headlight the proper distance. Making good progress there. Alright, so a few things that are going on with the car that are just kind of meticulous behind the scenes stuff that's really hard to video. But as we have shown earlier, Nick's got both of the headlights, or he's got the headlights figured out for the hidden headlights. He had done everything on the passenger side, and now he's got that replicated on the driver's side. It's always quicker the second time you do something, so he's got that all set up here with the motor. Now Randy's been working on the overflow for the radiator. He's got that plumbed, and it goes underneath the radiator up over to a catch can. But as you can see, it's all plumbed in down there. He's also been working on radiator hoses. In the back of the car, Nick has smoothed off the lock for the trunk, and then moving it underneath here. And he's designing a system to use these small gears, so the gear will be inside 2 sets of those that will actually open the lock where the factory one used to be back here.
So I'm tightening up the bumper gaps on this Riviera front bumper, and this is the factory fit. This gap's pretty inconsistent as it wraps around the car, and as it comes around the corner here, it gets pretty wide. And right here you have this big ugly hole. It's a factory fit deal. You can stick your hand in it. So on this side, I extended the bumper and tightened it up so it comes in nice and tight. It emulates the factory radius that was on the other side. I have it tied up against this consistent gap, and as I wrap around the corner here, I slanted the edge of the bumper so that it stays consistent with the body. And now I'm going to do it to the other side.
You can see with the rear bumper mounted, your gas door access through the plate that Nick made. So that's where things stand on the Riviera build, guys. Thanks for checking in. We'll have another update for you guys soon. Take care.